In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Team Fortress 2 with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Nowadays, playing Team Fortress 2 with your friends is very simple. If you haven't played Team Fortress 2 in a big while, maybe some years, you might be confused as how this new party system works. Basically, while you can join a casual server or community server and have your friend follow you, the best way to play with friends nowadays is to invite them to a party before queuing up. So if you notice on the home screen here, you are going to see your icon at the top left and then 5 empty slots. These are all slots that you can invite your friends to this party, and you are going to be able to queue up together. So all that you have to do before you queue up is to use this little friends tab on the home screen, browse through all of your friends, and once you find one that you want to invite to the party, left click on them and you are going to be able to send a message through Steam, maybe invite them to play beforehand. And if they are down, all that you have to do is click this option, invite to party. They are going to get a notification on screen and their icon is going to appear over here. I'm just going to cancel this option because I'm only doing this video for demonstration purposes. My friend is not going to play with me at the moment. But as soon as they accept it through a Steam notification, they are going to appear over here as a permanent member of this party. You can use the chat icon over here to maybe send them messages. That way you don't have to keep opening up the Steam overlay. Or you can use Discord or an external tool to communicate if you wish. That is all optional. As long as they are on your party over here with an icon, all that you have to do is click find a game and you can browse through all of the game modes. In order to queue up for casual, they need to be in the same party as you, and once you queue up for any game mode, both of you are going to be placed on the same server. You can choose the same or opposing teams according to your preference. Like I said, you can queue up competitive man versus machine. And while you can still go into community servers by having the party, if you don't like this party system, you can also just go into the community server first, and they can follow you through the Steam overlay by right-clicking on you and then join game server. Regardless of which option you take, you are going to be able to play Team Fortress 2 with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Team Fortress 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.